You bet I don't have those emojis in fidgets. Guess what? I 100% do. I have everything. Let's get into it. How could I have forgotten? I was searching everywhere and I was like, girl, you have caterpillar. ASMR. Obsessed. My absolute favorite chicken is this one. It's like one of my OG fidgets. Next up, we have a turtle. How cute. Next up, we have a rose. And I have these little baby emojis I just got because they have a rose one in them. And I always forget where it is. Here it is. A little rose. This is what I was trying to find at the beginning of the challenge, and I find it now. Look at this cute little caterpillar. It's literally perfect.